Originating from the Changbai mountain, the Changbai River flows tranquilly through the forests. The remarkable environment and ample food along the river has attracted numerous distinct birds to make their home here. Long beaks seem a standard for the fish eaters. Sporting a splendid plumage, the kingfisher has a long pointed beak. Apart from that, it also has a singular pair of eyes. When it dives into the water, its eyes can make automatic adjustments to rectify the refraction underwater. This allows the bird to accurately locate its prey and enhances its success rate. The Chinese merganser, with its extraordinary looks, has achieved stardom in the waters. As one of the world's endangered species, the Chinese merganser has been roaming the earth for some 10 million years. The continuous evolutions have given it an elongated beak with serrated edges. It is handy for catching the slippery fishes and serves as a useful instrument. The brown dipper guards its hunting ground in the shallow waters. It seeks food in the rock cracks and lets no flies or snails to escape from its slender beak. With tight and waterproof plumage, a nose with an adjustable lid, and a third layer of eyelids, it can hunt easily underwater. The slender gray heron stands on the waterside like a statue, motionless yet fully alert. It awaits any passing fish and pierces through it with its long beak. The gray heron can wait for a long time when hunting. This has earned it a nickname, the long-necked one that waits. In both hunting, for fish and for insects, natural evolutions have allowed the birds to choose the most suitable manners and techniques to hunt. The insect eaters are usually equipped with pointed beaks that help them to pick at tree trunks and cracks on the ground. The omnivores, on the other hand, usually have flat beaks. This multifunctional beak allows them to consume an eclectic diet. The Changbai River is a habitat for many bird species. Due to their diverse demands of food, they can peacefully share this region as good neighbors and coexist in harmony.